Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Hello cuties, in this video we will learn about types of houses. House. This is house. Apartment. This is apartment. Building. This is building. Hut. This is hut. Hotel. This is hotel. Burn house. This is burn house. Bungalow. This is bungalow. Lighthouse. This is lighthouse. Haunted house. This is haunted house. Caravan. This is caravan. Eco house. This is eco house. Cave. This is cave. Boat house. This is boat house. Log cabin. This is log cabin. Mobile house. This is mobile house. Thanks for watching, kids.